What's up guys, welcome back to Rumah Belajar AhundrEd. In this video I'm going to share with you about IB past paper, Mathematics Standard Level, Paper 1, that question number 6. Okay, so let fx equals to 4 cos x over 2 plus 1 for x greater than 0 or and less than or equals to 6 pi. Find the value of x for which fx greater than 2 root 2 plus 1. So how do you find the value of x? When fx greater than 2 root 2 plus 1. So our fx, it means our 4 cos x of 2 plus 1 is greater than 2 root 2 plus 1. So it makes easy, you make this tends to equals. So you have 4 cos x over 2 chance. So 4 cos x over 2 plus 1 equals 2 root 2 plus 1. Then you have 4 cos x over 2 equals to 2 root 2 plus 1 minus 1. And then you have 4 cos x over 2 equals to 2 root 2, then cos x over 2, that equals to 1 over 2 square root 2. And then you have cos x over 2, that equals to cos 5 over 4, right? It means our x over 2 equals to pi over 4. Remember, then you have cos alpha equals cos x equals to cos alpha, that you can write down, and x equals to alpha plus minus k times 2 phi, right? So in this case, when our k equals to 0, then our x over 2 equals to pi over 4, then x equals to pi over 2. And then when you have k equals to 0 or 1, wait, for this one there are two solutions. When cos x over 2 when gives this answer, this can be cos 7 pi over 2, over 4. 7 pi over 4, this can be 7 pi over 4. So it simply means that when you try the one first, cos pi over 4, and the second you must try when x equals to pi over 7 pi over 4. So we try this first. So when k equals to 1, it means our x over 2 equals to pi over 4 plus 1 is k, right? It means 2 pi. So you have x over 2 that equals to 9 pi. 9 pi over 4, then x equals to 9 pi over 2. This is for cos x equals to cos pi over 4. Now when cos x equals to cos 7 pi over 4, then when k equals to 0, when k 0, so our x over 2 equals to 7 pi over 4. Then our x equals to our x equals to 7 pi over 2. Now you can put it when k equals to 1, but you look at the domain here. So x must be less than 0, greater than or equals to 0, or x less than or equals to 6 pi. So you don't need to put k equals to 1. Then our graph in So when you draw this one, therefore cos x over 2 plus 1, so you have this is 1 right, this is the x, you put it here, so this look like this. This is 5, 1 right, 1 in the middle, and then negative for this one. So let's start this one. This is for 6, 5. So it's 6, 5 divided by 2, you get this is for 3, 5. And this one is, yeah. So because our our fx greater than this one, so it simply means then the y is greater than 2 pi plus 1. 2 pi plus 1, it means you can use your calculator to find out. Sorry, 2 root 2, I mean 2 root 2 plus 1. So 2 square root of 2, 2 square root of 2, and then plus 1. So is it 3 point, sorry, 3.8. So this is 5, right? This is 5. So 3.8 is 1, 2, 3. It will be here, right? Okay, and then this one, when you put it equals to, we get this one, right? So for this one, so we get 5 over 2 for this one. So we have 5 over 2. And then this one, the solution of this, is it 7 pi over 2, sorry. And then for this one is 9 pi over 2. So because the solution must be greater than, so the solution this until this, so 0, so x is 0 between 0 and, in this one we have x between 0 and pi over 2, and this one is x less than or 9 over 9 pi over 2 and greater than 7 pi 7 pi over 2. So what is the solution? The solution of x is x between or x greater than 0 and less than pi over 2, and x greater than 7 or equals to 7 pi over 2 and less than or equals to 9 pi. So this is for question number 6. I hope you understand this concept, and see you in the next video. Thank you.